so let's have some fun. Sorry about I
am.
I
am.
I
am.
I
am.
I
am.
I
am.
I am a doctor.
I am a doctor.
I am a doctor.
I am a doctor.
A teacher.
I am a teacher.
I am a teacher.
I am a teacher.
Very good. Doctor.
I am a doctor.
I am a doctor.
I am a doctor.
Doctor.
I am a doctor.
Teacher.
I am a teacher.
I
am.
I
am.
I
am.
I
am.
I
am.
I am a doctor.
I am a doctor.
Teacher.
I am a teacher.
At school.
I am at school.
I am at school.
I am at school.
So I
am.
am. Important, okay? So very simple, guys. I am. I'm. Very good. I'm. Very good. I'm a teacher.
I'm a teacher.
I'm a doctor.
I'm a doctor.
Very good. So pronoun.
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 Verb.
Verb.
Verb to be.
Verb to be.
Verb to be.
Verb to be.
Present.
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 Very good. You are.
You are.
You
are.
You
are.
You
are.
You
are.
I
am.
I
am.
I
are.
You
are.
You
are.
I
am.
I
am.
You are a teacher.
You are a teacher.
You are a doctor.
You are a doctor.
A student.
You are a student.
A student.
You are a student.
Fantastic. Or your.
Your.
Very good. Your.
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 You are.
Your.
You are.
Your.
You are.
Your.
Very good. He.
His.
Very good. He.
His.
Very good. He is. Very good. He.
Is.
Man or woman?
Man.
Man.
Oh, man.
So, Alex. 10 pounds. So, Alex, man or woman?
Man.
Man or woman?
Man.
He's like, I don't know. So, Alex, man or woman?
Man.
Man or woman?
Man.
Exact. So, he or she?
He.
He or she?
He.
Very good. Leonardo DiCaprio, he or she?
He.
He or she?
He.
Barack Obama, he or she?
He.
He or she?
He.
Very good. Angelina Jolie, he or she?
She.
He or she?
She.
Alex, he or she?
He.
Very good. I don't know. So, he is a teacher.
He is a teacher.
He is a teacher.
He is a teacher.
He,
Is.
he,
Is.
he,
Is.
she,
Is.
she,
Is.
she.
Is.
Now, TV.
Is.
Eat. Very good. Eat.
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 Phone.
Eat.
Eat. Because phone. He, she, or eat.
Eat.
He, she, or eat.
Eat. Eat.
Eat. Everybody, eat.
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 Eat. He.
Very good. Everybody, he.
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 Barack Obama.
He.
Barack Obama.
He.
Angelina Jolie.
She.
Angelina Jolie.
She.
Alex.
He.
Okay, very good. So, I,
Am. Am.
you,
Are.
you,
Are.
you,
Are.
he,
Is.
he,
Is.
she,
Is.
she,
Is.
it,
Is.
it,
Is.
it.
Is.
Excellent, very good. Singular or plural?
Singular.
Very good. Singular or plural?
Singular.
Singular or plural?
Singular.
Very good. Now, plural,
Plural.
plural,
Plural.
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 Now remember, guys, you are
You are.
singular.
Singular.
You are
You are. Plural.
okay, singular and plural. That's it. So about we are.
We are.
We
Are.
we
Are.
we
Are.
we
Are.
we are studying English.
We are studying English.
We are at school.
We are at school.
At work.
We are at work.
Very good. You
Are.
you
Are.
you
Are.
you
Are.
you
Are.
you are working.
You are working.
You are studying.
You are studying.
Very good. They
They
Are.
they
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 are.
they
Are.
they
Are.
very good. So let's repeat, guys. So everybody, we are
We are.
we're
We're.
very good. You are
You are.
your
Your. Your.
they are
They are.
everybody they are
They are.
they are
They are.
very good. Affirmative Affirmative or negative?
Affirmative.
Very good, everybody. Affirmative.
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 Very good. So very simple, guys. Negative. Look. I am.
I am.
Negative.
I am not.
I am.
I'm not.
I am not.
I am not.
I am not.
I am not.
Very good. I am a teacher.
I am not.
Negative. I am not.
I am not.
I am not a teacher. Very good. Okay. I am a teacher.
I am a teacher.
Negative. I am not a teacher. Very good. I am not a teacher.
I am not a teacher.
I am a student.
I am not a student.
I am not a student.
I am not a student.
Very good. You are a doctor.
You are a doctor.
Negative. You are not
You are not
a doctor.
a doctor.
You are not a doctor.
You are not a doctor.
Or you aren't.
You are.
You aren't.
You aren't.
You ain't.
You ain't.
And so aren't.
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 You aren't.
You aren't.
You ain't.
You ain't.
Different pronunciations, okay, guys? He is not.
He is not.
He isn't.
He isn't.
So look, is not.
He is not.
Isn't.
Isn't.
Is not.
He is not.
Isn't.
Isn't.
Exactly. Very good. So is not or isn't. The same. Okay? He is a teacher.
He is a teacher.
Negative.
He
He's
is
not
not a teacher.
Very good. Or he isn't a teacher.
He isn't a teacher.
Very good. We are not studying English.
We are not studying English.
We aren't studying Spanish.
We are studying Spanish.
Because
Because
we are studying
we are studying
English.
English.
Very good. So affirmative, negative. Very good. Let's repeat. Negative.
Negative.
I am not.
I am not.
You are not.
You are not.
Or
Or
you aren't.
You aren't.
You aren't.
You aren't.
He is not.
He is not.
He is not.
He is not.
He isn't.
He isn't.
He isn't.
He isn't.
She is not.
She is not.
She isn't.
She isn't.
Very good. It is not.
It is not.
It isn't.
It isn't.
We are not.
We are not.
We are. You. Sorry. We aren't.
You aren't.
You are not.
You are not.
You aren't.
You aren't.
Very good. They are not.
They are not.
They are not.
They are not.
They aren't.
They aren't.
Excellent. Very good. Okay. So now, question. Exactly. Right. Question.
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 Question. Question.
Question.
Question.
Question.
Question.
Question.
What is this?
Question.
Everybody. Question.
Question.
What is this?
Question.
What is this?
Negative.
What is this?
Affirmative.
What's this?
Negative. Affirmative. Negative. Question.
Excellent. Very good. So, everybody.
I am.
Again.
I am.
One more time.
I am.
So, question, look, we change.
Yeah.
Am I?
Am I?
Am I?
Am I?
I am.
I am. Am I? I am. Am I? I am. Am I? I am. Am I?
Very good. So, guys, English is not difficult. It's practice. No practice, no English. So, practice, practice, practice. Okay, so you are.
You are.
You are.
You are.
Very good. So, just look. You are.
You are.
Are you?
Are you?
Simple. Okay? Are you?
Are you?
Are you?
Are you?
He is.
He is. Is.
Is.
He.
He is.
Is he?
He is.
Is he?
She is.
Is she?
Alex is.
Is she?
So, again. Alex is.
Is Alex?
Alex is.
Is Alex?
Alex is.
Is Alex?
Jane is.
Is Jane?
Very good. So you just change the position, okay? So she is.
She is she?
She is.
Is she?
So she.
Is.
Everybody.
She is.
Again.
She is.
Simple.
Is she?
Simple. Very simple. Okay? Now, for example, we are.
We are.
We are.
We are.
We
Are.
We
Are.
We
Are.
Affirmative.
Yeah.
Question.
Are we?
Are you?
Are we?
Okay, again. We. Everybody.
We are.
Again.
We are.
Question.
Are we?
Yeah, no you. It's we, because we're using we. If it's you, you. For example, you are.
You are. You are.
Again, no.
You are.
No. Oh, look, you. No verb. Again.
You are.
Again.
You are. Are you?
So when it's a question, change. Very good. They are.
They are.
They are.
They are. Are they?
They. Very good. Excellent.